Okay, question 9 is a question about means, medians, and modes and things like that. So we've got information about 10 employees in a company, and it's important we remember there's 10 of them that do different jobs. We've got labourers, drivers, supervisors, and managers. And for 9A, we want the modal monthly salary. The modal is the same as the mode, and the mode is just the value that happens the most frequently occurring value. That's £1,200 because that happens 5 times. As 5 people have that salary. The other salaries don't happen any more than that. So £1,200 is the modal salary. 9B, the median monthly salary is £1,300, and we've got to explain why. The median is the middle value when all of the values were placed in order. So we could write all of the values out, remembering that we've got 10 of them, and we need to have them in order. So we need the smallest one first, which would be the labourers, and we remember there's 5 of those. Well, instead of writing the numbers, I'm just going to put a letter. So we've got 5 labourers, and then the next greatest salary are the drivers, and we've got 3 of those. Then we've got the supervisors, we've only got 1 of those, and then we've got the manager, we've only got 1 of those. So that's them in order. The median is the middle value when they're in order. Well, because we've got 10 values, the median is actually going to be in between the last labourer and the first driver. The last labourer is 1,200, the first driver is 1,400, so in between those must be a 1,300. And then part C is telling us that the mean monthly salary, remember the mean is when you add everything together and divide by how many you've got, so that includes every single value on that table. The mean monthly salary is 2,620. Give a reason why the mean is not the best average to use for the 10 employees. Lots of ways you can answer this question, but the main thing that you want to say is that mean monthly salary is being affected by the manager's salary, which is much higher than everybody else's. So as you see, nobody except the manager earns more than that 2,620. Everybody else earns less than that. So you need to say something like that mean has been affected by the manager's high salary, everybody else earns less than that. I haven't got room to write it, but that's what you need to say.